Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how we can able to use the classes in subquery using in MySql. Okay, classes in the first we can able to say from insert and update and delete. These are the classes we are going to see, right? Okay. You have already seen that where class and having classes. Okay, where class we are already seen, right? Having class also similar format it is going. Okay, group by you can able to use having class. Okay, that all the things you can able to use it will work as expected. Okay, in this particular from location also how we can able to use and how we can able to implement. Okay, now a simple example like a finding the average salary for the department and show only those department where the average salary is above 6,000 or below 6,000 based upon that your condition. Okay. Now from class before the from class we can able to see. Okay. Now here I can write one query like select DPT ID. Okay. And AVG salary, average salary from. And here we need to write the employee table, right? I'm not writing for the employee name and all, table name. Okay. And directly I'm starting for the select. Okay. DPT ID, comma, AVG salary. 1 minute. Sorry. Now average salary as AVG salary. Okay. From employees. Okay. Group by DPT ID. Okay. And then we can able to use here as subquery I can mention. Okay, I'm mentioning subquery where AVG salary is greater than 6,000. If there is a value it is there, then it will display the value. Okay, now I'm going to run this one. Now you can see 7,000 and the average one above and below it is showing for the values, right? Now same query I'll copy paste into here notepad. You can see select DPT average from, and from here to here there is a subquery. Okay, inner query. For the entire inner query, what values it will return, right? That entire value we are storing into in this location. Okay, then we are using for where class, and then we are displaying that which is the value is presented for that average of that particular one, then it will return for the salary. Okay, like this we can able to use the from location also, but one thing you have to remember properly, you need to know that exact value what exactly you need to get that outer carry execution purpose. If you don't know the exact things, then if you use, then it will not work these conditions. Okay, you have to practice well, then only you can able to get it properly, otherwise you can't able to get the properly. Okay, and also if you want to insert any record, okay, that record also you can able to insert. Okay, and also remember that something the department id which is already existed member department id, for that particular member department id you want to use, that moment we can able to do this operation. Okay, inserting. Okay, how we can able to insert. Now I'm going to do for this one execution. Okay, if you see now I don't have a fifth row one. Okay, I am going to insert for fifth row, but I want to Bob, this is the one 102, that department I want to use it. Okay, how we can able to use it. Now for inserting, we need to use for insert into employees. Okay, what are the things you want to insert? EMP ID, okay, and comma, and name, comma, salary, comma, DPT ID, okay, and then we need to use for values, okay. In this values, we need to use for one format, okay. For the values, right, I'm going to use for fifth, and then I'm going to use for location, and then I'm going to use the salary of 6,200, comma, and here I'll use the department ID. Which department I want to use? Bob department. Okay. How we can able to use? Select DPT ID. Select DPT ID from employees table where name is equal to Bob. Okay, name equal to Bob. That specific department ID I want to insert it. Okay. Now I'm going to inserting the record. It gives the error you cannot specify the target table for update update in from class. Update in from class. We're inserting the record. What happened? If you select this one, you have an error for SQL syntax. Check the manual that comparison. Okay. What error it is there? Okay. We can see first select DPT ID. DPT ID from employees where name equal to Bob. We can see whether it will return the value or not. Yes, it will return the value. Then we can copy this DPT value. Okay. Something is mismatched and we'll see here. Sorry. Again. What happened? Select DPT. Names are correct only. Employees. Okay. And DPT value. All the location correctly I have inserted DPT value. Sorry. Into values again. One second. Yeah, there is a small changes. Okay. See, in the previous I used for insert into employees and I specified the values right here, and then I mentioned the values and then I used for the queries. This is not allowing now, okay, but little bit changes, same thing like the single row, the same all the values for the employee table, and then what are the things you want to insert, those all the things I specified here. Okay, the similar format also you can able to try. Okay, now I'm going to use for another record to inserting purpose. Okay, now here sixth I'm going to do. Okay, and then I'm going to use the frank and it's 8,200 and department where the department ID Imana. Okay, Ima. Okay, now you can see I'm going to inserting this record. Okay, now insert successfully while you are getting the select query. See sixth record got inserted. Okay, with the value department of 103. Okay, like this we can able to use for insert location and the similar format we can able to do for update also. Okay, for updating purpose, update employees table. Okay, set salary is equal to salary into 1.2 ratio I'm going to increase. Okay, where department ID is equal to select select DPT ID from employees where I'll use it for department actually. Uh, Departments where DPT name is equal to IT. Okay, we'll check this one. See, it is updated. Okay, now if I go and do it again, select to query, select staff from employees. Now if I hit it, now you can see for some of the values got changed. Okay, if you use for select staff from department semicolon and then if I run this one, so IT department is 102. Okay, if I use 102, see previous some of the values got changed. Okay, previous I used it for 6,200, now 1.2 is salary added, then it is become a 7,440. Okay, like this it will be incremented. Like in case if you want the specific employees and specific name of the employee also, you can able to do the similar format. Okay, and even we can able to use for delete purpose. You want to delete the some of the user who earning less than the average salary, then I want to delete them. I don't want them into here. Then how you can able to do it? Okay, for delete also we can do that as well. Okay, delete from employees where salary is less than that. Okay, average salary, select AVG salary, okay, from employees, okay. Now for this, before that, you can see here there are six records we have, okay, six records. Now I'm going to hit this particular query. Now, okay, again where class it's not working, why it is not working for the specific record. So case sends to only. Okay, again it is having some issue. I'll check the query. 1 minute. Small change in the query. With I have used this way advanced concept. Okay, that I will explain the later. Okay, what I have done here, right? Basically, I'm taking for the average salary from the average employees table. Okay, I'm storing into the average variable. That average variable I'm picking from here. Okay, from the average. Okay, I'm storing into a temporarily, and then I'm going to hit for this one into a salary. Okay, for that salary purpose, who is having that person will be deleted. Okay, now my query is executed 100% perfect. Okay, now previous we have six records. Now how many it is there? See, only one record is there. Other than that, all the peoples are gone, right? Like that also we can able to do it. Okay. I hope it this entire information helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.